Hi! Today we're going to learn how to paint beautiful and easy bubbles. So, grab your paints and brushes and let's get started. First, cover the entire canvas black. You want to make sure that it is fully and evenly coated, so take your time with this. Then let it dry, and when it's fully dry we can start creating our bubbles. To create the bubbles shape, use any kind of circular objects that laying around your house, like cups, bottle caps, or toilet paper rolls for example. You can basically use anything that has a round shape. Paint edges of those objects white and press them onto the canvas to create perfect little circles that look like this. You can pick and choose wherever you want your bubbles to go. It doesn't really matter as long as you're satisfied with how it looks. Next, we're going to color in our circles. And we're going to do this by placing pink, purple, blue, white and yellow lines onto opposite sides of each circle. Start with pink and fill in all bubbles with this color along the sides, leaving a gap between the edge of the bubble and the pink line. Then add some purple lines. You can add them little above or below pink lines. They don't have to be the same length. But remember, right and left side of lines cannot touch. Now it is time to add blue lines. This time add them only on one side of the bubbles. Now let's add some white line. Once all bubbles have white color added, it is time to start adding yellow lines inside the bubbles. You really need to trust the process. Don't worry, it all works out in the end. Now mix pink with white together to create very light pink. And paint some thick short lines on right and left side of bubble. In the middle on the lines that were previously painted. This really helps to give the bubbles a 3D appeal. Then, as a finishing touch, use the back of your brush to put some dots and bubbles, and in the background as well. You can also draw some tiny stars in a few bubbles to make them look even more sparkling. I hope you enjoy this easy and fun painting tutorial. Remember, the journey of creating art is just as important as the final result. Keep on creating and exploring your creativity.